If you want a bat cut into your head, you came to the right place. So, started off with sectioning, using that center portion there as my guide, and worked as like kind of a UV shape. It was not that easy. For some reason, I was having a little difficulty with that back lower portion of my occipital. So I clipped everything away, and I just went for it. I went for it. Using that middle section as my guide. It was not easy to over direct. You don't have to use clippers, but for me it's easier. If you have a good pair of scissors, you can make it work. You just really want to make sure to pull those two, I call them the little straps, to the sides, and just try to envision a V, with the lowest point obviously the middle of your back, like so. Ta-da! So to create the head of the bat, we're sectioning off a half of a circle. Well, we're attempting. Look at that bat. Don't make fun of me. You know what? You're cute. So, oh, excuse me. So we're just attempting to section. It's really not that it's hard. It's just it takes a few tries. Look at that bat tail on my head of the bat. And so, starting off with a circle, look at his little feet. Oh, I got distracted, sorry. So, now that you have the circle, you can form the bat ears. It's just easy to work in sections, or else you're just going to get lost. I'm sure I look lost. So now I just try to scoop out a little V section here. I found that it was just easier pinching it, and then using that clippy to section it off. You really want to like hold up your hair tightly so that way you can see the part sectioning. And then you could just go in there with some scissors and just touch up the minor details from the clippers. Like so. Who cued the frickin' suspense sound clip? Anyway, so I forgot to mention that you want to cut off that circle ponytail, bat tail thing, and you just pull it straight out and you chop it off, so that way it's got a whole different texture. It's elevated, so it's got a little bit more height. It's hard to tell in the video. And so these front straps, those are obviously the longer points of the bat wings. And what happened to my face? You want to trim them just a little bit, so I mean to your likings. I swooped it out just a teeny bit, so that way it has a little bit of a swing to it. Wow, I am so gray. My goodness. My word. Okay, so it looks like the cat's trying to eat the bat. Anyway, so there we have it. This is the completed cut. Not too shabby. Ah, who's that? Oh. Anyway, stay tuned for my next video. I'll be coloring this gray, and the bat is getting colored. Spoiler alert. Thanks for watching.